Hello, guys. We are really happy to have you here. Of course, these are not the circumstances we were expecting, but we are happy that technology is allowing us to connect and introduce you the Dhillon School of Business to you. My name is Luis Escobar. I am currently the area chair for the Global Business Area, and we have faculties across campuses in Calgary and Lethbridge, and we have from different countries as well. At the same time, we are hosting a couple of majors in our area, and I want to talk to you about one specifically, the major in international management. The international management major aims at preparing students not only that works in multinational enterprises, it being a company in Alberta exporting grains to the States, or a company really local, but it realized that competing now means participating in the global economy. Within this international management major, we have several courses across supply chain and cross-cultural practices. Let me show you three of them. We have Management 3660, which is Industrial Location and Globalization for Enterprise. In this course, we study how different locations have attracted certain type of investment, why all the IT innovations are happening in Silicon Valley, and why is that companies operating in the oil and gas industry are headquarters in Calgary, and how multinational enterprises see attractive locations across countries to place different aspects of the supply chain across these locations and how they benefit from them. We look at the role of government as well in shaping these locations and making investment, foreign direct investment possible. Another course we are really proud of is Management 4640, which is the cross-cultural work study. This is a this is a course that runs in summer, and we take students to one of two locations, Malaysia or Budapest. And the intent of this course is a 6 8 weeks course is to allow students to work in the environment that is different from Canada. So we place students in organizations, these being profit and non-for-profit organizations, to get experience, really shape their cross-cultural management practices so that they can acquire the skills to work in a multinational enterprise or across cultures. Management 4074, Supply Chain Technology and Blockchain, is our latest addition to our compendium of courses we offer in international management. This course expands on understanding the essential concepts of supply chains technology and how it can solve business problems. Students here will learn to the basic developing technological applications through which there are control mechanisms, and this is blockchains, through which there are control mechanisms so that supply chain performance improve. Regarding job opportunities, this is the numbers you are seeing are provided by a platform that is called Burning Glass, and these are in the last 12 months the jobs posting. We have over 4,000 job postings relating to international management and supply chain. So you can see how in the first 2 years the average employment in terms of salary is about $60,000, and once you get over the six years of experience, your salary almost double. What are the top employers in this area? Are, of course, companies that are related to supply chain and companies that have international exposure or presence in different markets. Right? You have Scotiabank, you have FedEx, Amazon, Bell Canada, but you have as well some local companies, right? Bombardier, TD Bank, that were Canadian companies, strong companies, and they have a limited international exposure. The job titles go from operations manager to supply chain analyst or general managers or financial analysts. And and uh, with respects to the Alberta market, in the last 12 months, by using the same information we collected, you have over 600 postings related to international management and supply chain. And the average salaries go in the first 5 years from $76,000 to more than $100,000 over 6 years of experience. And you see the same type of companies hiring before. Obviously, we now see companies like Suncor in the oil and gas industry, which are companies that are as well in need of supply chain expertise. And the job titles go from operations managers to consultant to procurement to project coordinator. I hope you have an idea of what this major can do for you. If you have more questions, please click on the link below this video to talk to a professor. Thank you for your interest in our major, in our area, and our Dhillon School of Business. Hope to see you here soon.